Something I also want to share with you guys, and this is something new that I found. I wish I could actually put it up here, but there's a new artificial intelligence that actually has bodies, like faces, right? And these people, but it's artificial intelligence, is actually, doing classes or just doing whatever you want it to do, right? So imagine this, or think about this. Imagine you need an actual commercial done, right? Imagine you need some testimonials done, right? Imagine you need you just need some, you're not really camera ready, you're not the person to be on camera, right? Well, you can actually you can actually get this chat GPT or this new artificial intelligence to go ahead and do a full-on, thorough commercial for you. And all you have to do is just type in what the commercial is about. And that's really dope, but a little bit scary too, okay? And I'll just go ahead and repost it on my story who I'm talking about. I forgot the name of that AI. But ChatGPT is something very, very, very new. It definitely gives us all the time that we need, especially as entrepreneurs and content creators, to just use it and just let it go. But for me personally, if you want my opinion, I'm not using it, okay? I'm not using ChatGPT because I really do like writing. I enjoy writing my own posts. I didn't do all of that schooling for nothing, okay? So I just enjoy doing my own and putting my own passion and my own words together. And but you can use ChatGPT for if you're writing a business plan, right? You could do that. You can use it for if you want to write a book, do a digital product, all of that really good stuff, okay? So the main creator, I believe, is called OpenAI. But OpenAI is just pretty much nobody's able to get in it. But there's multiple websites now that actually uses this technology. Okay, so